Now you must have understood that the space around us is filled with air. The Earth is surrounded by different layers of air. The different layers of air that surround the Earth is called the atmosphere.
The Earth pulls every object towards its surface. This pulling force of Earth is called gravitational force.
The gravitational force also pulls the air towards its surface. So, due to the gravitational force, the Earth holds the air towards the ground. There is more air near the surface of the Earth, and it gets thinner and thinner as we go up.
That means the air pressure decreases with height from the Earth's surface.
Less air means less air pressure, and more air means more air pressure. So, there is more air pressure near the surface of the Earth and lesser air pressure as we go up.
So, there is lesser air or air pressure at the Mount Everest than at the sea.
The air is present only up to 1,000 kilometers height from the Earth's surface. There is no air above this height.
The layers of air of the atmosphere have different air pressure and temperature.
Depending on the air pressure and the temperature, we can divide the atmosphere into many layers. There are the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere, and the exosphere. Students, now let us learn about the different layers of the atmosphere. The layer of air near the Earth's surface contains about 70% of the total air of the atmosphere. This layer is called the troposphere. The word troposphere is a combination of two Greek words, tropos and sphera.
The meaning of tropos is mixing, and the meaning of sphaera is ball.
As most of the air and other particles like dust and water vapor mix in this layer is called the troposphere. The troposphere extends up to about 15 kilometers from the Earth's surface. Most weather conditions like clouds and rain occur in this region.
Pilots fly aeroplanes in this region.
The region above the troposphere is called the stratosphere. The word stratosphere is a combination of stratus and sphera. That means the meaning of stratus is to spread. It extends from 15 to 50 kilometers from the Earth's surface.
The ozone layer can be found in this region.
Scientists place the weather balloons filled with hydrogen and helium in this region to forecast weather.
These weather balloons can measure wind speed, air pressure, and temperature.
The region above the stratosphere is called the mesosphere. The word mesosphere comes from the Greek word mesos, whose meaning is middle. So, mesosphere is the middle layer of the atmosphere.
This region is very cold. Mesosphere contains ice clouds.
It extends from 50 to 85 kilometers from the Earth's surface. Most meteorites burn up in this region while falling down from space.
Meteoroids are small natural objects falling towards Earth from space.
Above the mesosphere is the thermosphere, or the ionosphere. The word thermosphere comes from the Greek word thermos, whose meaning is hot. This is called the thermosphere because some places in this region may be hot.
This layer extends from 85 to 700 kilometers from the Earth's surface.
You may have heard about the rocket. Rockets can fly higher and faster than an aeroplane can. Scientists go to the space station in a rocket. Space stations are built in this region. The exosphere is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. The word exosphere comes from the Greek word exo, whose meaning is outside. It contains light gases like hydrogen and helium in very rare amounts. It extends between 700 and 1,000 kilometers from the Earth's surface.
The region above 1,000 kilometers from the Earth's surface is called space. There is no air in space.